Another famous Taylor Swift song that touches this theme is Blank Space. In this, Taylor talks about the game of love and how she goes around waiting for the next man to come, fall in love, and then leave him. She writes, "So it's gonna be forever, or it's gonna go down in flames? You can tell me when it's over, if the high was worth the pain. Got a long list of ex-lovers, they'll tell you I'm insane. 'Cause you know I love the players, and you love the game." She clearly says that she's going to love a person, and if it doesn't work, then the love will go down in flames, which means, in other words, it will cause conflict. And this is an ongoing game, which we can know from her long list of ex-lovers. Clearly shows how love ends in conflict, and how when love appears, conflict is always right there behind it. Love follows conflict, and conflict is also followed by love, as we can see in various media sources that show how this statement occurs, not only in fiction, but in real life as well. Love being a natural emotion for the human being, and conflict being an inevitable aspect in a person's life, the fact that both are represented together makes sense, mostly because the feeling that creates such as jealous, envy, and desperation cause conflict.